Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that should receive premium. Once signed in, open the YouTube app or go to YouTube. On a desktop browser. Mobile apps work too. Make sure your gift card code is accessible, either uncovered from the card or copied from an email. Now tap your profile icon to reveal account options. You need the account menu to proceed. This gets you straight into the redemption flow without extra detours. From the profile menu, select Purchases and Memberships or Paid Memberships to reach subscription settings. Once there, choose YouTube Premium and look for Redeem Gift Card or Redeem Code. Tap it to open the entry field. Carefully type the code exactly as shown. Watch for letter number confusion such as O versus 0 and I versus 1. After entering, press Redeem or Apply. If the code is valid, YouTube will confirm the added time and show when premium begins. Once redeemed, confirm YouTube Premium appears under your memberships and note the expiration date. That proves the code applied. If you don't see confirmation, first sign out and sign back in, then recheck the code entry for typos. If it still fails, ensure the gift card matches your Google account country. Codes can be region locked, and verify it hasn't been used. If those checks fail, contact Google or retailer support with the card details and purchase receipt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.